Hello out there, my name is Jeffrey Glasser, and I hope you and your family are staying safe. I want to welcome you to my Funnelvio review and demo. Funnelvio is a revolutionary funnel builder that has been in the making for the last 21 months. Please enjoy the video.
Hello and welcome to the Funnelvio demo. In this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to create a funnel with Funnelvio as well as have your products up and running so you can start selling. So when you first log in and when you first want to create your funnel, you're going to see this modal. In here you need to pick any of these options. I'll come back to import funnel a little bit later. Really cool feature, and I want to leave the best to the end. But in this case you can start with any kind of funnel. I'll pick sales funnel and it gives you some preset pages that you can choose. Simply add more if you want or just click next. Pick one of the funnel templates. So there are quite a few that we have in place already. We've got about 19 different templates planned, and you can pick any one you want, and each template comes with 10 different page types, and that will be able to associate the right page type with your needs. So I'm going to call this one math teachers, and let's go ahead and create our funnel. Alright, so the funnel is created and it takes me straight into the editor, as you can see over here. If I just hover over here, you can see all the pages that are available as part of this funnel. You can quickly switch from one to the other and you can start editing it. It takes us a few seconds to load up all the elements in the page so that everything is available for you in real time as you're editing it. So there you go. For example, this is the upsell page where you can start selling something, you can make an offer. We can add a downsell page, a thank you page, and finally a checkout page as well. Checkout page is where the person actually pays you money. So let's go ahead and use this one. So this is our page and this is our editor. It's a really cool editor, really powerful editor because it's completely drag and drop. Think about having full control on your page and we give you that. Now just so you know, we've got a second version of this editor in the works, and that's going to be a mix of block based and drag and drop like this. So this is literally drag and drop anywhere, as you can see. But the next version is going to be block based as well as drag and drop both, and you can mix and match it as you want. So if you're not too comfortable with this, it'll become easier for you when we release that new version in about a couple of months. So when I look in this one, I can see this is the image. If I want to shrink this image, I can do so by just doing that, for example, and I can move it here again. And you can see, I can see grid lines, the white grid lines, which allow me to see exactly where I need to place this. I think it's in a pretty good position right now. If I want to edit this text, I'll go in, I'll click on edit text, and this is the text. I can change this from heading 3, for example, to heading 2 or heading 4, heading 1, it's entirely up to me. So I'll go for heading 2 in this case, and you can see now it's bigger. You can also, when you're done, just mark it done and you're good to go. Now here's something you need to know about this editor. It's really easy for you to move stuff up and down, and as you do, you can see exactly where it's being placed as well. What's the distance between top and bottom? And of course you can get it just right if you wanted to. And if you want to move multiple elements, just select one, select another, and you can move both of them up or down. So this one, in this case, I'm going to move the video to the middle. So let's go ahead and move the video to the middle. And you can see with this kind of index, now we know it's in the middle. And if I move this as well, I'll see another line here which tells me we're now in the middle. So this is good. If I want to shrink the space a little bit, I'll just move it up top and the space gets shrunk, and then I can take all these things. Now let's say if I want to select everything here, I'm just going to select this, and say okay, let's move everything up, and there you go, it starts moving everything up. So this is how easy it is for you to change your pages, for you to customize your pages with Funnelvio, with our funnel builder. It's a really first-class funnel builder with lots of ways for you to enhance the value by, for example, adding more text, adding picture, adding gallery, media if you want to, maps as well, shapes. So if you have a few shapes as well that you can choose. We then also have lines, buttons, menu items, languages, blocks, social, sharing buttons, a blog link if you have one. So if I click on this, for example, you can sort of put a blog type in here too, which I wouldn't really recommend for a funnel anyway, but you could have one. Then we've got a buy button and smart membership. I'll come to that in just a second. But there's languages too. So if I click on languages, you can give people the option to choose one or different languages. Now this is in beta at the moment, and eventually we'd be able to provide translation in multiple languages automatically as well. So the one thing I want to show you here as well is the buy button, which is pretty cool. So if I choose the buy button, it places the buy button right here, right? It gives me the option to place anywhere. Let's say if I want to put it right here. Okay, that's in place. I can go and edit it, and then I can go to properties and customize it as I want. I can choose button text, button color, size and borders, icon, shadows, any of those things. And here's a cool thing. If you have a product that you've created within this software, so let's say Meet Your Sales is one product that I've created, I can choose one of the different variants that's available, and I can sell that directly from this page. So I can just make sure everything looks fine as I expect. So if I want to change the color, let's say I want to change the color to red, I can apply. If I want to